What health and social care do you want? That's the question we at Llais have been asking the people of Wales. As the independent body that reflects the voices and represents the interest of the people in Wales, we want to know what works, what doesn't, and what needs to change so that we can create fairer and more balanced health and social care services for everyone. You played a really important role in the development of Llais. Take us through the journey.
When we first got set up, we took direction from the board and we went out, we listened to people, we spent 100 days listening to people in communities trying to find out what they wanted from us. They told us that they wanted to be focused on what people wanted, what communities wanted, but across the whole of Wales.
And that's so important, of course, in shaping the health and social care system we want as the people of Wales for the next 20, 30 years. It's about rights, but it's also about responsibilities and a strong focus there on educating people to take responsibility. I'm Medwin Hughes, Chair of the Board of Llais, and today we're talking about who we are as an organisation and what we do. And I'll be talking with Ben Eaton, the Strategic Director at Llais.